Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. Today we will learn how to create YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos using CapCut. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and more. Let's begin the tutorial. I have a widescreen video like this. I want to create a YouTube short from this video. Add video to the timeline. Click on the ratio, and set the ratio value to 9:16. Increase the size of the video. You can make the video full screen. But now the problem is the content of the video moves out of the screen. I have to adjust this. I have moved the video left side. Now I have to adjust the position of the video from here. Add the first keyframe to the position. Forward the playhead, and change the X position. Continue the process till the end. Keyframes automatically added every change position. Now the video is perfect for me. You can add a background to the video using Canvas. I have added a blurred background. You can also try color and style type backgrounds. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.